gabi.
Ngayong gabi.
Welcome to Batchoya ni Carla.
Spaghetti. Sino tawagan nito eh?
Kuan ma, pikuliko, ginabot siya.
Ginabot. Ginabot.
Muna siya imang bulaklak.
Siya, bulaklak ba? Charong bulaklak. Okay. Oh, beans. Beans, pansit bihon. What is this? Oh, okra. Kalabasa. Another spaghetti. Spaghetti must be their best one. We have two. It's like mongos. It's a little bit hot. I think they reheated it. Oh, another mongos. I think this is dugo. Oh, yeah. I can smell it. This one is... Unsan iti? Tinola? Na manok? Oh. Thank you kay sa pag-slice tiha. We got the pork in here. We got two, which is like worth 50 pesos. Ati packet already. Thank you, te. This will be our snacks for our beer. We'll see you again. Tapok din. Longgam sa kumama lang ka, pwede ko mo. Story ang longgam. We borrowed plate from them. We got this food at the karinderya. This is like social, very social. They even give us like spoon and fork too.
Came back to the same bar for beers, but we're earlier tonight.
Saying hi to you again. You're very popular.
Popular. I think I just stand out.
Especially you. You're always smiling. Not the other Americans here.
Lots of kids on the ride today were just waving like from the side of the street at me, just like, hey.
You're also waving at the hi.
So if you come here, go to
I love Kinhason.
I love Kinhason.
I love Kinhason.
Cheap beer. Wait, they had what, boodle fights?
Yeah, and they have like 5+1. All kinds of beer up until end of August. Yeah, that's what they said, because on September it'll be.
So that's like Monday.
Yeah. You could go here.
Yeah, 1 week. Hurry.
1 week from now. So yeah, I don't know when we would be like having this.
Yeah. By the time we post it, they'll have 2 days notice.
Yeah.
But the coffee shop just down the block down here has beer for 50 pesos as well. And then there's another bar just over there called Suave. And they have 50 pesos.
Suave for Americans, suave for Pinoy.
Their beer is 50 pesos, 3 to 9.
Yeah.
And then there's karaoke next door. But now we're gonna eat pork and drink beer. We'll see you later.
Preparation of ito.
Dagan kung customer diri kadlawon mo.
Oo, okay. Ikaw magtatay.
Di ko man tagay ba. Makuanag ka po yan kaya ako magud mga staff naman kay kuan naman gyud ka nang balik na sila klase ba. Ya another na sad ko mangita og niya. Listen man kay magsalig ka og kuan bago na sad ni mga staff.
Correct. So ikaw lang sa aron.
Ako lang sa.
Babe?
Where?
Kaya one. Cebu City ko lang ba? Center.
Katong pagkuan dito sa Cebu naman kay kuan to kanang first time na ko na nakasakay og skeleton.
Ay, amazing.
Atong pag-interview sa ako sa JD. O may skeleton diri ma'am, way 7-Eleven, way
Dito.
mall.
May mall.
Wow.
So niadto kag kuan. Inside or SM.
Sa is imabulo ko i-surprise.
Chicharon. O siya yung kuhaan lang ang audio. Baby boy. Ang tawag tag Mary ba? Produce nun kay ta.
Oo.
Mary mo lang pangan
Mary mo
Gold.
pangan.
Mary Gold. Okay na ito kung gold. But he likes to call me Mary. Saan lang ga? Pork. Si Madam kay Gadran.
Yes,
Look at that.
Black pepper.
Black pepper.
Pwede ni mo mag-video na ni mo. Ang nagbukal nga kuan. Sweet corn.
Sweet corn.
Yari na doon si Miss Uncle.
Ah, si Miss Uncle. Oh, they're like very, very expensive. Sige lang daw. Sige lang. Hello, madam!
Hello, may gabi.
Ngayong gabi.
Welcome to Bantayan ni Carla.
Thank you for that. Unsa kay mong order lang ga?
Yung order ka is super special.
Oh, unsa na oras ron? Murag alas gabi na gid ron.
Gabi na.
Mga alas 8 na.
Alas 8 na.
Yeah.
Char.
No, di ba? Ang kaning among batch nga gi-order kay after sa among tagay.
Yan tagay. Kung katong mga bisita diri mo ari doy sa among isla sa Santa Fe or gitawag siya nga sim og Bantayan Island. Kunya karon naman kay inyo giari diri kay mag-enjoy mo. Natay nightlife diri tapos ikaw man atong tagay kung ganahan mo higop-higop og sabaw nga mawasan mo. No? Tilawin ninyo ang batchoyan ni Carla.
Tilawan na to.
Tilawi ang lamian na batchoy ni Carla.
Tilawi ang lamian na batchoy ni
Carla.
Here she is.
Yes. Please like sa akong page, Batchoyan ni Carla.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Salamat kay Langga.
Yes, it's always welcome.
Thank you and we'll see you around. Bye.
Bye.
Oh yes. Come to Carla's. She has the best.
The best.
Batchoy.
It's the best.
And we're having beer right now.
Oh yeah. Had to go get
We were looking for you.
Murag ibuli ko.
It's
Ano po to?
without a doubt, like, this is the best soup I've ever had in my life. It's spicy, salty, sweet, umami, like, promise. This is egg, noodle, chicharron, calamansi. It is spicy, sour, sweet. Every dimension of this is the perfect flavor. I have not had a better dish in the Philippines in 2 years. If you want to get your money's worth, this was 80 pesos for a big thing of soup, 2 eggs, chicharron, pancit, everything. Come have this. My whole face is on fire. I love heat. This is amazing. See you guys.
A lot of ahos, sir. Should wash your hands, okay? I think he's drinking a lot of beer. Diba langga? Dagan kay nainom akong bayo langga, no? Oh my God. Nang tiis na.
Excited na siya, ma'am.
Ay! Excited to do.
Excited na sa kuan. Char!
Matog.
So excited to kama.
Excited to go to bed.
You excited to go to bed?
With who?
With who? Who are you going to bed, sir?
Kitsa.
Kinsa?
Kitsa. Oh, with you?
With me?
Yeah.
I don't think it's me.
Kitsa lang.
Di ba langga? Asa kita ni diring dapita ibotang. We're just having fun. Look at that. Opening the skin and putting it into the...
I'm refreshing my drink.
Using that.
It's so juicy.
Juicy? Is it tasty?
I mean, you know, it's good.
It's good. Are you having fun, sir? Having fun. Oh. We'll see you around, guys. Just having fun.
What's up, guys? Last day. We're just getting ready to leave. It's been a great trip here in Bantayan. We had more of that bok choy for breakfast. Delicious. We stayed out a little bit too late last night having Dandawai rum and Red Horse. So we're a little bit slow this morning, but we're going to get it going. We are going to head outside, catch a tricycle to get back to the terminal, and then catch a ferry back to Cebu, and then a bus from Medellin back to Cebu bus terminal. So it's going to be a long day of travel. We've had a great time though. Hope you've enjoyed some of the video you watched. Thanks. If you have any places we should go, let us know. Bye.
We're going home. Tigra na kay ko. I look brown. Very brown.
And I'm very red.
Brown and red.
America is like a brand. Put it down. Can't talk anymore. So good.
So good. Okay, we'll see you guys later again. Bye. Kuya now is asking for a fare. He's already ready. I'm very busy. Even wants the extraction. Hey Kuya, 520.
Thank you kay mama.
Thank you, yeah. He's very, respectful to us.
What's up, guys? We got back yesterday from our trip. It was a really long trip back, maybe, I don't know, 9 hours from Bantayan to Cebu. We took a tricycle, a bus, a ferry, a second bus, and then a taxi cab. So it was a long trip. We made it safe though. Mary just got home, so we'll get back to normal this week. Next weekend I'm going to her house, and her niece and nephew and a couple of their friends are going to try some American foods that I'm going to make for them. They've never had any American foods like that, even like popular American snacks. So we're going to see how Filipinos feel about American food. If there's any place we should go, let me know. Put it down in the comments. If you like what you see, like, subscribe. Hopefully we get a lot more travel videos soon. We're going to Cagayan de Oro in November. We're going to try to do another trip maybe later in September, early October. Maybe we'll try to do something around Christmas as well. So if you have any ideas of stuff we should do, places to go, let me know. Thanks guys for watching. Hope you liked the video. Talk to you later. Bye.